Make sure Twitter posted my alert. It like takes weeks off. Buying Qs are nuking. Yeah, posted it. Nice.
Oh my God, VIX.
It's the only thing green on my screen.
Yeah, the only thing green on my screen is UNG. All right, Raj, let's relax. Woosah, man, woosah.
Man, I sold my Q puts, but I got back in on a Q butterfly, but still I wish I would have held my Q puts on the first bounce.
Yeah, Calvin. Thoughts on Apple? It's selling off. I like the pullback on Apple, but it doesn't look like anything's done selling off, to be honest. Facebook looked the best, and it's still pulling back.
It's getting nuked.
Dude, everything is dying. It's incredible. My Microsoft is in the money. We're going to be risking it on those.
Like your sell side?
Yep. In the money.
Oh, Tesla just lost 405.
Everything is dying.
SPY is down 4% one day.
Oh, it's nuts.
That's unreal.
Q is down almost 6%. This is unheard of. This has to be the worst.
It's one of the single worst days ever, to be honest.
Yeah, has to be. The Dow's down 940 points.
Look at the Qs daily yesterday. I didn't even notice that, dude. That would have been such a good short. Fucking perfect textbook hanging man candle.
Who else is green with me today besides Dime?
I think SR's green.
This is worse than any day that the coronavirus had.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think this has to be top 10, top 5 worst days in stock market history.
Yep.
Well, we haven't hit a circuit breaker though. We did back in the coronavirus. I mean, it's pretty freaking bad, but I'm saying I remember we hit a circuit breaker back in March.
I'm looking at Qs right now. It looks like the worst day during the coronavirus was negative 5.01%.
March
Oh,
9th. March 9th was -7.
March 9th, negative 6.95. Okay.
-9 on March 12th.
I just remember watching the news and they were talking about circuit breakers being triggered.
-12 on March 16th. Yeah, there was a couple of circuit breakers. Yeah, -12, dude. That's fucking disgusting. But pre-corona, this is unheard of. What are the odds, man? The Discord is 8 days green in a row, and then we get one of the worst stock market days in history. Holy fuck, that sucks. Yeah, it's probably a little late for puts right now. You would probably have to wait for a pullback and then sell the pullback. The problem is just there are no pullbacks. It's just nuking.
Damn, dude, fucking Dime is super bearish.
I hedged with VIX calls and I got out of most of my shit yesterday.
Yeah, I had a bad feeling about tech yesterday. I should have taken profits. But I was only up like
Well-
20-30% on Facebook and Microsoft, so it wasn't really worth it.
Didn't we post some charts also yesterday?
Or like bearish
That were
charts.
charts that were showing just how much we were outside the Q's channel and stuff like
Oh,
that.
yeah, it
Didn't
was
JMA posted.
It was extended for sure, 100%.
Dude, on my chart, I've never once seen it get out of the channel.
I was
It tagged
talking
the
about
top.
how extended it was off the 8 moving average. It was like pumping away from it, which is very scary.
Now the question is, do I take profits or hold until tomorrow on my VIX?
Yeah, look at the wick sniper on the daily. That was a big sign. 2 full candles outside the wick sniper. That's unheard of. Nasty daily on NASDAQ.
I think I'm just gonna take profits now and wait and see what happens tomorrow.
NASDAQ is creating a massive bull div. It's slowly gaining momentum as it's falling.
I sold half my VIX position.
I hope we get like a 5% update tomorrow.
That would be dirty, dude.
Not to make money, but to fuck everyone that's holding short positions.
Neo's starting to get a little red.
Excuse me.
Yeah, we saw vaccine news today. Wasn't good. Fed news, I didn't see the Fed news today. I know they're what was I about to say? A couple of their guys gave statements, but there was no like meeting or anything.
Yeah, this is going to create a monster bull div on NQ.
Yeah, Microsoft's flushing red. Facebook's flushing red. Jesus, ES, man. Completely flushing red. What a waterfall. Holy shit.
But if SPY loses 342,
Dude, it's nearly a 200-point drop in ES today. 200 points.
That's fucking crazy.
It's like 150 to be exact, but it's still fucking ridiculous.
It's not a bull div yet. but
Almost
it's about to be.
almost 1,000 point drop in Nasdaq. Fucking incredible. Yeah, shorts are making back some of that money they lost on the way up. That's for sure. Neo got upgraded to 25. Nice. Picked a bad time to use an upgrade. Best way to protect gains right now would be either turning your stuff into spreads, fully closing. Could roll them out. Roll them out to later dates that are not going to feel this move as much. I'm not panic selling anything today. We'll see if I pay for it tomorrow, but I'm not panic selling on a 5% red day. 6% red day at this point. Boeing got upgraded as well. Nice. Yeah, TLT was flying. It's funny because XLF was doing very good too, but then it pulled back. I think you guys okay. You guys helped me. That's one of the ones that I deleted from my list on accident.
Nothing could fucking stay green during a market like this.
Hunter, I can't give you advice and stuff like that, man. You got to make that decision on your own.
Someone asking if you should sell.
He's asking if he should market long with 5x leverage right now. Like you said, I could see a 50% retracement tomorrow, and then maybe it sells off next week.
Reversals don't happen in one day.
Dude, if this thing just completely started nuking tomorrow again, that's brutal.
People are jumping out of buildings for sure.
Because like even the strong pullbacks, unless there's like news like coronavirus, it doesn't typically nuke and then nuke.
We're getting close to tagging, what is it? 34.25 is the 20. Is it the 20 MA? Yeah. Oh no, wait a minute. That's a 20 EMA. Let me look at the 20 MA.
One of my coworkers just texted me, "Did the market take a huge shit today?" Question mark.
You should tell him don't pull up his 401k.
He's looking at his acorns.
Yeah, don't do that.
Acorns?
Yeah.
Yeah, I that's what I was thinking, John, is people start taking profit on their shorts and that will actually drive the market up. Because there's so many people that are probably shorting the last like week or so, and they're closing. Like they're, oh fuck, I'm break even. Oh fuck, I'm only down 10%. You know what I mean? Like some of those people are positive, some are break even, some are barely negative. They're gonna take this dump to close their shorts. So we could see a little relief bounce. Those are the bounces you have to be worried about, though, like JMA was saying, because those bounces are weak. If you fucking bounce like that and then start dying again, it's bad news.
It tried to come back above my trend line. It wicked it and is now back down again. 3460 was the level that I was looking if it was going to come back in the trend line. And that's going all the way back to the coronavirus low.
Re-election FUD could be. Could be people thinking that Biden's gonna win, but I don't think that would be a catalyst. There would have to be something to be the catalyst for that. Like Trump would have to have a slip up or something. It wouldn't just come out of nowhere. I think if you're putting it on anything, what I was thinking this morning was that the vaccine news came out. It was good news. So maybe people think that we're not going to get another stimulus. The market was pricing in this stimulus, and then they had good vaccine news, so maybe we don't get a stimulus. And maybe now they're pricing that in.
I mean, that makes a lot of sense, right?
Yeah, that makes the most sense out of all the news stuff. Especially because we're a week away from when they reconvene. Hunter, I agree with you, man. I don't think Trump's going to let this continue. If it keeps falling like this, he's going to release more executive orders. He'll basically make his own stimulus. I don't think Trump's going to allow the market to just keep tumbling into his election.
Fucking $154 to renew my license plate, and they say that the fucking state's broke.
Do you have a special one, or is that just a
Jesus.
normal one?
That's just how much it costs to renew a fucking license plate sticker.
The fuck, really?
That's ridiculous. I think mine's
Here-
like way cheaper than that.
$154.
Here in
Shit's definitely not that expensive.
Tennessee, it's like $100, but my brother in Arkansas pays like 27.
Yeah, I think ours is like less than 50. I don't think it's that much.
Fucking scam, right? And they bitch about being broke. Think about it. Every single car that is registered in the state of Illinois has to pay that. Property tax on a vehicle? I never heard of that. That's why they call it Crook County.
Yeah, look at how corrupt that is, John. Look at how fucking disgusting that graph is.
Yep, that's why I'm trying to get a state job.
Be
Holy shit, that's
be on the
bad.
right side of it.
Yep.
Fucking disgusting, man. Did you see about? I think it was Hertz. You see, they were trying to pay their fucking higher executives millions and millions of dollars of benefits again, or bonuses. They did it the first time, and then people were like, "What the fuck? That's kind of fucked up." And then people forgot about it. Now they're trying to do it again. They're literally going bankrupt, and they're paying their higher executives millions and millions of dollars in bonuses.
I'm just waiting for someone to fucking retire at the water plant, the water treatment plant out here.
incredible.
Once he retires, I'll get that job.
Take
Yeah.
him out.
Yeah, it's funny, guys. On stream, we were talking about CCL. Good call, man.
Cash, you say take him out?
Yeah, I forgot Deja's streaming. That's not.
Yeah, that's not a good
I don't wanna
idea.
stay on
Yeah,
stream.
no, yeah. He was joking. Yeah. He
Little
meant
cyanide?
take him out to like dinner, talk him into retiring early, buy him a nice steak, loosen him up.
All right, I am all out of VIX and UVXY now. I'm sitting all cash except for Q butterfly put, and that's about it. I'm gonna sit my happy ass on some cash and look at what happens tomorrow.
Supposedly this dude has been trying to retire for like the past year, 2 years.
Help him retire.
If
early,
a
bro.
day like this happens tomorrow, I might have to capitulate. I don't know if I can hold over the weekend like this.
That's honestly.
So this is my guess. This is my guess of what happens on ES and NQ. Either we get an overnight session low and it comes down, hits the 21, and we bounce overnight and then gap up in the morning, or overnight is flat, we gap down tomorrow morning, tag that, and then move up from there. That's what I'm going with.
I just want to see green tomorrow.
Because yeah, we're putting in bull divs now.
Yeah, there are
1
big
day
bull
fucking
divs.
bull
Yep.
divs.
It's because it's not stalling. It's just bleeding.
Bull divs on what?
NASDAQ.
ES, NQ.
ES.
YM has one. They all have them. They all have bull divs now. So yeah, that's my theory. Either overnight session low coming down a little bit more, and then we gap up tomorrow morning, or we trade sideways overnight, gap down tomorrow morning, tag the low, and then push up.
All about risk management, Kay. I'm bleeding, but I'm not down that much. I'm probably down, like at this point, probably 6-7% of my account, which is a pretty fucking big red day, but it's not unmanageable.
JMA, did you keep those VIX calls?
Yeah, 97%.
Fuck yeah, brother.
But that's only $340.
Oh.
I'm down 9K for today.
I started today red, but I'm positive for the day now.
Yeah, I'm down 10K.
You're keeping those VIX calls open, Dime?
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to 38 at least.
38. What do you mean 30?
Calvin,
338?
didn't you withdraw your whole account yesterday, dude? What a fucking day to withdraw. What a good man.
Spy 338, you're saying?
No. VIX. VXX 38. That's the daily pivot, and our Deja knows who this is. I don't know if you do, but West, he's nailed the last 3 volatility plays on VIX, and he says 40. And this is one of the areas that I'm willing to trust him on. And it lines up nicely with the daily pivot, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing.
What
SPY is
fixed
losing.
options do you have?
He said, which VIX options do you have? But I'm streaming,
no.
so type them out.
I will type them out.
Coming down to that 21 day here. Or 21 EMA pretty soon.
Yeah, the SPY cap fills at 339.
We're losing the hourly 200 SMA right now.
This is incredible, to be honest.
I think SPY
Yeah.
comes down to 342-ish. 341.95, I'm saying.
This is the worst day I've seen all year, to be honest.
What about March?
I didn't live trade those days.
Oh.
Like, I wasn't staring at my computer those days. That was too brutal.
I think I just closed some positions and just kind of watched everything melt down. 4-hour pivot on SPY is 336.
I don't see a pivot there. On SPY or ES?
Yeah. SPY.
I don't see any 4-hour pivot there. Next 4-hour pivot for me is at 317.30.
Nice, John.
I don't know why it doesn't show up for you, because I'm on the same data as you are now.
Yeah, I don't see that there.
I'm down like 7%.
So,
Emiliano.
do you have extended hours on?
Oh, yes.
I don't.
Eight days of gains gone in one day. Is that how much is taken out at this point?
Pretty
Okay,
much, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days on Qs. Spy,
We're on
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 7 on Spy. No,
We're hovering over the
yeah, 6.
Oh wait, no, that's we're still hovering over the daily 21 SMA.
Yeah, that's what I think we're coming down a tap.
VIX is going to continue climbing regardless, I think. Elections, fear in the markets, prospect of Biden winning, which would be objectively bad for the markets.
Look at the daily
Dude.
candle on VIX.
January Intel calls are holding steady.
I think VIX gets slapped at 33.
They don't give a fuck about this drop. The October calls are getting obliterated, but the January calls don't give a fuck.
Did you guys have your trading view get updated yet?
Nope.
Oh god. You're so lucky. It's awful. All of my they thickened up their lines too.
I hate when they do
Like,
that.
look at this shit.
It changes my fucking
So-
indicators.
So first of all, they deleted all my indicators. Second thing, you now have to like open a new window in order to type in a ticker. It's
Oh,
really
God.
annoying. And then the third thing is these lines used to look way more aesthetic. Like they were thinner, they were just trimmer, cleaner, and now they're fat and they don't have the same setting as before. And I don't like any of the available settings that they are offering for the trend lines. It's really, really
I fucking hate
fucking
when they
annoying.
keep changing all the aesthetics of their website for no reason. Nobody even asked for it.
Those are my numbers right there, guys. I think that's going to be high of VIX and lows of ES and NQ.
At least I can buy some Peloton for cheap. Is Peloton nuking? Yeah, I got obliterated. So what I'm scared about, guys, is the weeklies on like every chart are fucking horrible. So price action guys are scared.
The only green ticker on my entire watch list right now is Under Armour.
Yeah. Everything's red for me except for the inverse stuff and then TLT. Dixie, TLT, inverses. Everything else is red. Shit, go to Finviz. Look at the heat map. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
I bet it's all red.
Oh yeah, look at this fucking thing. Oh, it's juicy. Look at that heat map, boys.
Where is it?
I posted it. CCL is like the greenest thing. See all the cruise lines.
Hey, J-May, did you see those CGC calls coming in?
No, I was away from my computer all day.
There's a
Oh my
bunch of
god, hold on to cut you off. That fucking Cody thing you told your buddy told you about?
Don't tell me it's up.
It's fucking green, 2%.
Oh god.
Go ahead, Don.
CGC is seeing a lot of opening orders today. I can't figure out what they're seeing on the chart. It might be something news related.
I just can't believe your buddy hasn't texted you like, hey, Cody, it's green.
He bought more plug today.
Fucking Cody, man, of all things. COTY, that's the thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why CGC Diamond doesn't look like anything.
Yeah. Which is why I think it might be a news base pumped, but I don't want to touch it. It's also holding really well considering what the market's doing today.
Look at Home Depot. You've obliterated like a month worth of gains in a day.
2 weeks.
Yeah, that's 24 trading days. 26 trading days.
It's like 17 candles from where it was at this price last.
Yeah, that's 20. That's 24 trading
Look at
days.
that. Look at that on Home Depot.
Okay, fine.
Or, sorry, 24 days. 18 trading days.
Look at the chart I just posted on Home Depot.
Yeah. Oh god, the Bitcoin heat map.
Crypto.
Jesus, dude.
Why do they even put USDT on there? It literally only ever moves like 1 to 3 pennies in either direction. They should replace it with Link.
What you should be noticing is look at the size of it. Look at the market cap on that. It's just they literally just print that shit.
Hey, look at the double possible fucking bottom on Facebook. Did break support today, but look at it. It's bottom wick.
Yeah, Emiliano, that's what I was talking about in Discord. Bears are going to be talking shit on Twitter when they've been losing so much money on the run up the entire way. The only people who made money shorting this are the people who shorted today, yesterday, the day before, maybe. Or if they took them like a week ago, but they took longer out contracts. If you took like a week ago short-term contracts, you did not make money. You might have broke even today. So don't be fooled on Twitter. All these people talking about how much money they made, unless they shorted really recently, they did not make any money.
Tell them to show you their profit year to date.
Yeah.
%166% on my VIX calls.
I'm in the danger zone on Microsoft, boys. Not good.
I'm going to post my numbers on Twitter. If they hit, I'll get clout. If not, I'm going to delete the tweet.
Oh, J-May, you're the best. I just want to go look at the option times and sales right now. This is crazy. Someone this morning bought 18th of September 40 calls at like 9 a.m. Like 2 hours in the market. They're only 30 cents.
Tron's up 32%. What the fuck?
Yeah, Tron's been on a tear. I'm pissed that I
Why?
missed that. I don't know. I don't understand that
Fuck, what
coin.
is Justin's son doing?
Probably announcing that he's never going to announce an announcement.
Yeah, did Justin's son ever give that? Doesn't he owe like 2 people Teslas, and he owes somebody a meeting?
What did you just say, Dime? Make an announcement that he's never going to make an announcement.
Tron pumping off of Justin's son saying he's announcing that he's never going to make another announcement. I mean, that didn't happen. I just bullshitted that. But
yeah, isn't he the guy who makes announcements for announcements?
Yeah, that's his whole shtick. I don't even know if he's aware of how cringe it is at this point.
I'm going to cash tag too, so everyone can see this. What are some big tickers that I put down in the cash tags?
VXX, SPY.
I already got that.
SPX.
Batman has coronavirus.
Which Batman?
Robert Pattinson, the new one.
Why the fuck is he Batman?
Ramp Capital tweeted, probably because his Batman mask isn't covering his mouth. Shake my head. Did you see the poll he posted on Twitter? It was, what do you prefer, Tron? No, I didn't see that. Yeah, I remember when USDT had that scare and it nuked, and people bought the fuck out of it. Free money, man. Oh, I did see that. Yeah, the bot, when he bought his own poll. I did see that, yeah. I did see that Rock and his family had coronavirus. All the celebrities getting it.
Yeah, I heard that today on the radio.
Makes you wonder, what the fuck are these celebrities doing, man?
Getting their willies wet.
Ordering packages from Wayfair.
So stupid. What other tickers? I need
You
more
just
big
want
name
tickers?
tickers. Big name tickers.
Tesla.
You're being that guy.
I already got it.
Apple.
Already got it.
all
I got
that.
Apple, Tesla, AMD, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix,
Oh,
SPX,
Neo.
NQF, YMF, IWM, ESF,
Google.
Roku, Goog.
Oh god, you're being that guy. Jeez.
Got room for like 1 or 2 more boys.
Neo.
You got Amazon, you said?
JMA, you gotta put Boeing on there.
I already got Boeing on there.
Nvidia?
Okay.
Micron.
Rocket.
Fuck Rocket.
It's still a
Micron.
big meme
I
stock
don't know a
right
single
now.
person that trades Micron.
You got AMD and MU.
No, not MU. AMD though.
Tesla.
Got it. I got room for 2 letters. 2-letter ticker. SQ. Like and share that, boy. Actually, no, don't share it because I'm gonna delete it if I'm wrong.
Share it if you're right. Got it.
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
What's
Hey,
up?
bro.
Fuck, that was a long game. Goddamn, I'm tired.
Did you score lots of touchdowns?
Motherfucker, it is not. You know what? I'm done with
How's
you.
your pec doing?
So it's much better, but I made the mistake of playing goalie and I tried to save a shot,
Oh,
so
God.
it kind of tweaked it a bit.
But you played the one position that you use your chest?
Well, I was tired, and you know it's fives, so you know there's no subs. So I was tired, so I just had to stay in goalie for a while. And unfortunately, some motherfucker took a really hard shot, and I had to save it. So you know, took one for the team.
Ball is life,
Aaron.
man.
Aaron, Microsoft looks actually like if it holds this, it looks really good. It's holding the breakout level.
I thought about adding, but it's too fucking sketch.
Has the market improved at all?
No,
Or it's
no.
still-
Don't.
No, sir. It's gone quite worse.
Oh my goodness. Yep. Guess I'm not trading until Tuesday.
Everyone like my tweet.
Spy,
Share it, retweet it.
Spy needs a stock split. I agree, dude. Somebody get Spy a stock split.
How do I copy the link to my tweet? Is it just you click on it in like the browser link?
You click on that little thing on the bottom right.
Yeah,
With
click
the
the
arrow.
arrow. Click the arrow and then copy.
Oh, copy link to tweet.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, why don't your
I'd
tweets ever show up in my timeline? It's like you're fucking shadow banned.
It might
Can't
be.
see this?
Wait, are we streaming now?
Yeah.
Oh god. Okay, I can't talk about it. Never mind. I was gonna ask about JMA's latest follower, if he's still following you.
What, Seaman Breath or whatever? What was his name? Seaman Spitter?
Semen breath?
Seaman Swallow?
Wait, what?
Puke sperm. What was
Oh,
it?
puke
Yeah.
sperm.
What?
Puke sperm.
It's your distant cousin, Dime.
He's got, what is it? He's got 3 nips.
Caesar, I thought you were gonna behave today. You are not behaved at all.
No, I haven't played stock splits. I try to avoid them. I don't like playing anything that's like out of your hands and can it's like more of a gamble. Like earnings, I don't play earnings. Stock splits, don't play stock splits.
Is Trump talking today?
I fucking hope so. Fucking hope he pulls something
I
out of
hope
his
he-
ass, man.
Yeah, emergency meeting.
That infrastructure plan that we all forgot about, oh, it's coming.
Yep, tomorrow.
What's
I
that
just want
gonna-
him. I just want him to say like live on TV, like, yeah, you know, we had a really bad day, but if I was you, wink, wink, I would buy or long everything right now. Like all it doesn't like if he just said that, dude, people would just long it.
Well, they did
I
when his
mean,
son
I think
did
I've
it, and
asked
it
this before.
ended very
Technically, is he
badly.
allowed to say that?
Didn't his son get subpoenaed or some shit?
It's
for
like
that?
max out 401ks or something, right?
Trump's he could say anything he wants. Elon can't, on the other hand.
No.
Look at
It's-
Facebook.
His lawyers fucking slap
recovering?
him when he says that shit.
Please tell me
A
it's
little bit,
recovering.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you, Facebook looks
Facebook looks
juicy,
good,
dude.
dude.
If it holds that fucking level, if Facebook could pop up back above like, what do I have here? About like 291, which is kind of far away in the next 15 minutes. I only got 3 retweets. Come on, guys.
The Facebook.
Oh, did you want? I thought you said don't share
Oh,
it.
you wanted to? Yeah, yeah. I thought you said don't.
Share that shit.
There, bro. Gotcha.
Can you imagine if like next week or 2 weeks from now, Amron just like doubles to 8?
Who's potty on Twitter?
It's me.
I thought you were like Castro something else. Didn't you have some like?
Nah, you gotta stay low key.
Oh,
Why Castro?
it's a video game name, bro.
Oh, that is you, Castro? The one with the
Yeah.
lol? That's hilarious.
Yeah.
Castro, who you hiding from?
NSA.
Yeah,
your- Is that your real name, Castro?
Potty.
no, it's because no.
Your name in Discord is literally Castro IRL. That means your name is Castro IRL. You're lying to us. Or something.
Is it just me, guys, or are we seeing a little pumpage here?
Yeah, man. Fucking algos.
What if we just regain like 4% right here in the next 15 minutes?
I'd
I
be
am
okay with
falling
that.
for it.
I mean, literally, Neo has only lost its 5-minute 200 moving average. It hasn't lost any of the other ones.
And Neo doesn't look bad at all.
Literally, it's only lost one 200 EMA. It's right on the 15 right now. It's bouncing off 15. 30 has a lot of room. 1 hour, tons of room.
All right, what discounts? I'm looking at discounts right now. What are we looking at?
Fucking looking at Neo, honestly. Bouncing off 15, sketchy as hell, though.
Johnny,
I might hop on.
robot.
Time traveling, baby.
Your time
Oh,
traveling.
man.
My.
Come on, Johnny.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell, Johnny. Come on.
We are getting a little pump here. You bears getting scared?
Yeah, Intel's below almost every 500 fucking 200 EMA, or every 200 EMA, excuse me.
Uh-oh. TradingView just took a shit. Bitcoin Trump is buying blood.
Yeah, move was pretty brutal for Microsoft. Everything's flushing fucking red.
I bought a few Microsoft calls for 225. I might regret it.
I'm
We'll find
holding
out.
on to mine. I'm fucking.
It
I'm in the money.
looks good. Microsoft looks good for a bounce play. Problem is that it could come down to the trend line.
Yeah, everything's leaving green. Things sketchy. Short time frame on Qs are full bear dime on Ichi.
Oh no.
SPY is full bear as well on 515.
Part of me wants to close my VIX calls and just take these $4,000 in profit, and the other half of me is like, no, it's gonna keep going.
Roll it.
I closed mine.
I know.
Like John said, you could always reopen it tomorrow.
Yeah. Roll
Yeah,
it.
but I got such a good entry. I don't
Roll
want to
it
give it up.
or close it. Microsoft gaps up for taking a shot right in the morning.
If we retrace tomorrow, yeah, we're getting double cheeses.
Double cheese supremes. Sorry, double cheese preems.
Aaron said he's buying everyone lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, did you miss
If we gap up.
you missed the Preem launch?
Yeah, I fucking missed the Preem, dude. I wanted to get that. The only thing I would have gone for is the crew neck. Other than that, everything was a fucking. I wasn't. Oh, nice, Trent got the chair. Nice. Yeah, I probably would have went for the chair too. I would have went for the crew neck and then followed by the chair.
Was it a foldable chair?
Yeah, just like a metal foldable chair.
It's the one where they hit each other in wrestling.
They had the red one on there for sale last time, didn't they?
They had red and black.
Jamie, did you order that chair yet?
No, I haven't.
My chair just got here today. I don't know if I feel like putting it together today, though. I'll probably do it tomorrow.
Even if I order the chair, it won't be until end of November. I don't, you know what I mean? I don't really want to wait that long.
You won't
Markets
stand for it, but you could sit for it if you ordered it now.
Markets are already dying again.
How much is that chair going for now, Trent? To resell, 115. So it doubled in price, pretty much.
What, it was $60?
Black is only going for 102. What about the crew neck? I would have grabbed the red one. What's the crew neck going for?
That was a Pelosi. That wasn't Kamala. But yeah, I did see that. It's hilarious. You played it on loop.
That's so silly.
I think it's hilarious. Do as I say, not as I do.
Crew neck was 138 retail. Right now it's selling for 230. So $100 on the XL.
Wow, dude, that PayPal fucking block trade that I called out this morning, we could have taken that. Look at PayPal. Or I called it out. It wasn't this morning. It was
Holy fuck.
1:50 p.m.
There's an auto SR and it's holding the auto SR right now.
It had a
back right to it.
It had a block trade at about 2 p.m. that came in. It's been flying since. Dude, it's already retraced its whole dip, basically. Yeah, markets are literally fucking losing every single pump, dude. This is disgusting.
The algos can't keep it up.
UVXY and VIX calls coming in.
I bet they are. Everyone's fucking longing.
As soon as you said that, I got an alert saying there was a block trade coming in for UVXY. As soon as you said that.
Shit, I have a call for that shit.
I know. I wish there was a fucking liquidate all button on Tasty. Need to just liquidate this entire
Just market,
portfolio.
sell, everything.
Start over, dude. Start over.
Neo calls just came in.
Start from scratch.
That'd be nice.
I'm not panic selling.
I'm not either. I'm holding.
Fucking balls are in my stomach right now, but I'm holding.
I held Ripple from 20 cents to 3.50 all the way back down to fucking $1. Okay, this shit doesn't hurt me.
Unfazed.
I swear to God, Jeremy, you're funny as shit. 2 days ago it was like lightning struck my penis. Now my balls are my stomach.
A lot of things happen in my balls on big moves, up or down.
Dude, we were so we were so euphoric on Amron yesterday.
Yo, you guys were excited as fuck. And
See what
this-
happens
and
when you
then
when you
got
celebrate
that
early.
news.
We
You
got-
get fucking slapped.
We got rigged, dude. They fucking rigged that court date.
Yeah.
No,
Spy-
CCL
Ton
won't
of
go
spy,
bankrupt.
ton of spy puts spy calls came in.
Look at Facebook. It's doing things.
Not enough, man. I'm down fucking 14% on it.
It's got 8 minutes to fucking reclaim that level.
I really would want Microsoft to fucking not be in the money here. That'd be awesome.
I want Facebook to close above 2, like at 291 or up.
I need
Monst-
Microsoft to get above
Dude,
217.
Monster Q's puts just came in for 918, 1.2 million.
Not good.
Oof.
Yikes.
Oof.
The big yikes.
I'm surprised though, because out of all the flow today, 49% is bullish, 51% bearish. So there's definitely people buying the dip.
VIX is selling off in the close.
What was my I said 32.99. What was today's high on VIX?
3287 ish, 3272. That region.
A lot of calls coming in, boys. A lot of calls coming in. This, what time frame am I on? 5 minute. This is the first 5 minute candle to close above the 21 EMA all day.
Here we go, I'm not in the money anymore. Let's go.
Pucker up, ladies and gents. Pucker up.
What do we got? 5 minutes left? Come on, Facebook, just keep going up.
Big spy push came in for October 16th, 1.3 million.
That guy's an idiot.
That guy is a fucking idiot.
Another one just came in for
Guy's a
2 million.
moron.
For puts or
That's
calls?
his friend.
Puts.
Oh,
Puts.
fuck.
10, 16. 2 of them. One for 1.3, one for 2.
Look at Google,
These aren't-
Spotify. Google's on fire. Spotify bouncing.
Look where
These aren't-
Facebook's at. Look where Facebook's at, boys.
These aren't opening orders, so it could be someone writing those calls, to be honest.
Look where Facebook's at, boys.
Is there a pivot here?
No.
There is a pivot on the bottom. 4 hour trail bounce, double buy signal. Big 1 hour bull div. Out of all my positions, I think Facebook is going to be okay. Intel's scary.
Facebook closes above 291. I mean, if the markets are good tomorrow.
Intel January's unfazed though. Buy signal on Microsoft daily.
Yeah, I'm adding to my calls on it.
Yeah, I wanted to add to my premium, but that's fucking degenerate. I'm literally at my strike price.
What date do you have, Dime?
11th of September to 25.
Okay.
I just added to Facebook. Look at Facebook, boys. Look at Facebook, boys. Look at Facebook.
Bouncy, bouncy. Look at the fucking markets, dude.
Look at ES. Look at Qs.
They spent all day giving everyone coronavirus flashbacks, only to just fucking reverse it.
A lot of Tesla calls coming in right now.
Please.
I love these
Gaben.
people that are shorting a potential
Yeah,
bottom.
Gavin, please.
Gaben, please.
I love these people that are shorting a potential bottom and buying a potential top on VIX. Like what are these people doing?
Fucking Facebook, dude.
$3 million put came in on SPY. What the fuck?
Guy's an idiot.
Or he knows something that we don't.
He's an
So
idiot.
I said before that puts over did calls today. Now it's even. It's 50-50.
Aaron, Netflix hit the target I gave you, 522. You might want to close that if you still have it. Could roll it or something too, though. What a perfect trade, man. 550 to 5. We did this both sides. 527 to 550, and then 550 to 527.
I took the first side of that.
Nice.
I should have taken the second side.
Yeah, literally the same exact trade, just back to back.
Yeah, just inversed.
Yeah. Two minutes left.
Button them up, boys and girls. Button them up.
Damn, he's still on square.
No, I was only scalping that, and then I took a $500 loss on it. No biggie.
A lot of Apple calls coming in, boys.
Facebook's on fire.
A lot of Facebook calls coming in, boys. Ton of Apple. Holy fuck. There's a lot of Apple calls coming in.
It looks good, man. I would trade it if I wasn't in Facebook and Microsoft. What a fucking bloody day.
At least you had chicken.
Red or red on the day, guys.
Green.
Red or red.
Everything's so green. What a day.
That fucking sticker, dude.
There's the bell.
Our 8-day green streak is going to come to an end, boys. All good things come to an end.
Damn, for you green people. Amazing.
That's going to be a hard streak to break in the future, man.
Small time frames on ES and NQ are bullish now. Or are turning bullish.
Nice, Aaron. Still made 11%
Damn,
today.
Spy's going up. Post market.
Of course it is.
I like
Tesla.
that. I like that. If you're not red today, you're not trying. I like
That's true.
that. Holy fuck. You're not red today, you're not trying.
A lot of
Tesla's
spy
up 2
spy
points.
calls coming in still.
Yes. I kept my long.
VIX puts coming in. Q calls coming in. Q calls coming in.
Yeah, ES and Nasdaq are on fire, man.
Chaz, you killed it, dude. That
Nice.
shit's still green.
Hell yeah.
I would kill to see $5 fucking.
Yeah, I'd be
positive on
happy.
that
Yeah.
fucking
I'd be
shit.
happy with $5 right now.
That's like a quarter of a Chipotle bowl.
Dime's like the fucking Grim Reaper.
If you listen to me, you wouldn't have had a red day.
Like the fucking Grim Reaper.
What is your problem?
He's spoken into existence, man. If you didn't say anything, we'd be fine.
That's not how markets work.
More Q calls coming in.
What, did Spotify have earnings today?
Oh
Spot.
shit, Smith and Wesson, huh?
Oh, never mind. What? Why
I
does my
played this
chart
shit.
look like that? My chart's showing Spotify just fucking nuking. You look at PayPal, still going.
Huge IWM put just came in.
Dude, PayPal almost closed green on the day.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah,
Facebook up 0.3%.
yeah. I don't know if I could hold tomorrow if we see another day like today. I'll be fucking liquidating everything.
I think we've seen the bottom.
There will be another bottom.
I think we've seen it.
I mean, it's not going to happen this week, but
I mean, if you look at the moving averages or just like price action,
Dude, someone's going ham right now, dude, on IWM 1016 148 puts, like going wild on them.
if we look
Those
at
VXX
Nasdaq and ES, they're nuking into trend. If you look at all the other times it nukes and then still continues, it breaks trend. When it nukes into trend, it holds.
We'll see if we made the right decision or not.
Nuking
Yeah.
into trend, so.
Plugs up. My buddy will be happy on that. Plug is up. That fucking dog shit Cody's up 3.5%.
Nice, dude. I got plugged. Let's fucking go.
Yeah, fucking Cody, dude.
Dog shit Cody.
We're talking shit, and it's green and a sea of red. Nice, Huss.
Watch, I'm gonna text him right now.
Hey, man, you can't be green every day. Like I said, you need red days. You need a few slaps every now and then. Wake yourself up. Don't get complacent. That end-of-day pump actually helped me out. I'm only down about probably 5% of the account, maybe 6% of the account.
Look at all the Q and SPY calls that just came in. 911. Some guy's going ham right now. 911, 295 calls.
On what?
Qs. Yeah, maybe the printer turned off. They had a power surge.
Had to
Or
change the cartridge.
maybe Dime went over there and fucking turned it off. J Pow just woke up, slapped him and turned it back on. Later, Aaron.
Hey, have a good one, man.
There, bro.
See you guys
Real question
tomorrow.
is, who's down for a game of COD after a beating like that?
I'm down.
Time for a game.
Attaboy. Sees?
In a few minutes. My daughter's acting up, so I gotta go take care of that.
Gotcha.
All right, guys, I'm going to call it on stream. Appreciate you guys being here. It's been a fucking bloody day. I'll be posting some more analysis tonight. Try to keep it early. I know I said I was going to be early today or yesterday, and I wasn't, but it'll be posted nonetheless. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys didn't lose too much money today. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Take it easy, guys. Sleep well. You're going to need to sleep for tomorrow.